So you can use duct tape for pretty much anything. Today we're going to be fixing our vacuum. So during my adult life, I've used duct tape to fix so many things. The other day, my wife actually dropped our cordless vacuum and we had the option to go buy a new one or try to extend the life of our current one. And we just decided to buy some duct tape because all it needed was something to connect the two pieces together because it was just dropped. It's still turned on and everything. So we were like, you know what, let's just try this, see how it works out, because we have used duct tape for other household appliances in the past and just random things throughout the years, like I said. And you could just rip as many pieces as you need, in addition to just ripping pieces of pieces like you could see here. Very easy to use. My wife isn't the strongest person out there, but even she's able to rip up the duct tape into however many smaller pieces that she needs. And as you can see, we're just applying multiple pieces just to make sure that the vacuum does not fall apart again, and just making one more piece to wrap around the whole vacuum. And again on the other side, like I said, used this so many times over the years just to fix random things, and we're just doing a little bit of a test there before taking it for a spin. And as you can see, the duct tape fixed our problem. So if you're looking for a quick and easy solution, then I would highly recommend picking it up.